Alright everyone, we're going to be taking a look at the Continental Country Club golf course. This course is just south of 44, 2.5 miles east of Brownwood. I would say probably a half mile west of Chitty Chatty or close to a mile west of the Chitty Chatty Bridge. This golf course was actually designed by Ron Garl. You might have heard of him if you're really into golf. He designed a few courses at Walt Disney, the Magnolia, the Palm, and the Lake Buena Vista courses, and that's at Walt Disney World, so that's a pretty big deal. It's currently a popular location for North Florida, PGA, and Florida Professional Mini Tours. They have quite a few tournaments out here throughout the year. And then actually in 96 and 97, the Golf Digest awarded the course a 2-star award for places to play. So that's actually pretty cool. I have actually had a chance to drive around the course. I haven't played it yet. I do want to play it. I'll do a video of that later so you guys can watch me struggle. But the course is beautiful, very well maintained. Everything's really green and well taken care of, and it's just a beautiful course. It's currently home of the Stephen Resch Golf Academy. So he has a full golf academy there. They have a fully stocked pro shop, so if you forget golf balls, tees, you need shirt, a hat, whatever, they have the whole pro shop there. And then of course one of the most important things is that at the end they also have a restaurant where you can have a few adult beverages of your choice, you know, to celebrate or to drown your sorrows for how you played for the day. The course is fairly inexpensive, I think, in my opinion. Right around $30. You get 18 holes, plus you also get the cart. The cart's included, which is fantastic. Obviously you see by all the video, similar to most courses in the area, there's tall Florida oak trees on both sides of the fairways, and they line all the way down and provide shade and cover for most of the golf cart paths and walking paths as well. So this course actually bumps up against, and this little living area here bumps right up against Lake Okahumpka, which I thought was pretty cool. And the community, they have everything the Villages has on a much smaller level, of course. So you have like softball and all the clubs, billiards, aerobics, aqua size. They have veterans clubs, shuffleboard. Basically anything that you're going to see in the Villages, you're going to see here as well, just on a smaller scale, similar to the other retirement communities. You know, the Villages being the biggest in the States is really something. You can see from here actually where it's at, just south of that 44, Highway 44, I guess I would call that. Currently this weekend they have the Florida Professional Golf Tour Pro-Am and tournament going on. All proceeds are donated. They donate them. They do this annually, which I think is pretty fantastic. You can actually see Lake Okahumpka there in the top left. And of course, Alexis had to get in. She was so excited about those little statues, so she wanted to get in on that. But you can see Lake Okahumpka there. They do have a boat ramp that goes right out to Lake Okahumpka, which I will show you in a later video when I do video of this whole area. We're going to do some videos of this later on as far as what they have to offer and I'm going to try and get Steve to talk, and hopefully we'll see if he's interested in it, and then we'll go from there. Just so you guys know, your keyword for this video, let's go with Florida oaks. So if you're interested in winning that canvas this month, you're going to comment Florida oaks in the comments. I would suggest not just commenting Florida oaks, but actually putting it in a sentence so people don't get on it right away. What I'm doing is putting all your names into a container, and we're going to draw them live on the channel. That'll be February next Saturday. I think it's February 26th or 27th. I'm not positive. So make sure that you are following for that. It will be next Saturday, February 27th. So no matter when you're watching this video, we're going live at 6 o'clock, and then I'll pull the name for the canvas print at that time. Make sure you check out the website and the webpage so that you have everything that you need. You have to be on the mailing list, also the email list. I'm not spamming anybody, so that's not what it's about. It's just to let you guys know when we put out new videos. And enjoy the rest of this one. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.